Good morning, guys. So yeah, I'm starting to put on my makeup. It is currently the last day of our trip and I'm super sad about going. Oh my god. But I'm just gonna put on the makeup like normal. But I thought I would show you guys a little bit of the products I use when I travel, because it's not really the same as my normal makeup routine. Oh my god, I'm gonna miss this. Yeah, my voice is a little bit cracked because it's like in the morning. I don't know if anybody else has that. But now I just use this Kate Moss with Rimmel. It's powder. It's like a 3 contour illuminating powder. I just use it all. And then I use MAC Cosmetics. Give me some bronzer. Yeah, the mirror is right here, so sorry. I can't really put you guys right here because they're not like stand properly. So I just put you guys here above the toilet. It's nice that they have like a little stand there. I'm so fucking grateful that I got invited to this trip. Like beyond grateful. So thank you so much, The Hague University, for inviting me. This trip has been so amazing. The hotel has been like a dream. Oh my god, like everything. Wow, wow, wow. It's a little bit early. I'm heading out for breakfast and then I'm gonna pack right away. So I'm putting on my makeup right now so I don't have to like procrastinate even more. I slept really well. That's why my voice is cracked, I think, because I think I slept with my mouth open. But yeah, this is what I usually do for my makeup. I'm just gonna put some Kiko Milano on. If you guys want to see like a full on get ready with me, then just check it out. I posted a video about it like 2 weeks ago, so it's on my channel. It's called Get Ready With Me Fall. So this is a little get ready with me as well. But I'm in Luxembourg, so it's completely different. And I learned so many things about being here that I did not expect that I would like this country so much. Everything is so fancy here, and I'm like, damn, this country is rich. And yeah, and then I also learned a little bit of Luxembourgish, which is pretty cool. I feel like, well, since the language is like in between France and Germany, and so close to Belgium, well, I think it's actually the border to Belgium as well. It is, the language is highly influenced by well, when they speak it sounds like German and then a little bit of French in between, which is so cool. I was like, when I heard it, I was like, oh yeah, that's German. And then they were like, have some sentences in their language where it's like completely French and then a little bit of Dutch. So when I was like, oh, how do you say cheers? They were like, oh, proost, and that's like Dutch. So I was like, wow, that's like so weird that they like mix all of these languages together. And I was like, wow. Yeah, sorry about this shirt. This is like my pajamas right now. I gotta be a little bit quick, so I'm just gonna do my makeup really quickly. My basic makeup look. I think I'm actually finished already. Just need to put on this Becca highlighter in the color Opal. This is it. Really nice. Oh, I love this bathroom so much though. This is like my dream bathroom for sure now. I'm like, oh, when I become rich, damn. Or like the next time I move it, I want to renovate. So yeah, that's it basically. It's nothing special really. I'm gonna put on some clothes, so I'm gonna go change. and then head for breakfast. So this is the final makeup look, really basic. And look at this bathroom, you guys. I'm so beyond grateful. I love this mirror. I love that it has like light around the mirror, and then we have a waterfall shower. So like the water is like dripping down here. The hotel is really fancy, and then we got this rack. I thought it was like, oh, it's in the shower, so it's gonna get all wet, but the shower is quite big, so it didn't get any wet at all. And I'm just, wow. The last night, like, oh my god. I'm flying in a couple of hours. Yeah, sorry about the mess, you guys. I've been living. I'm just like, boom, use all the space because wow, this room is so amazing. And yeah, now I'm gonna go change and get ready for lunch. So right now I'm just gonna pack a little bit. This trip has been so amazing. Now I just had breakfast, so I'm a lot more energetic. Sorry that I was like morning and everything, and then I was like, good morning guys, blah blah blah. But you know guys, but if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.